Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining source documents of chapter 6, and our next source document is pay-in slip. Pay-in slip is generally called credit voucher that we used for depositing cash or bank check into the bank. It is used for depositing cash or check into the bank. It has a counterfoil which is retained by the depositor. Pay-in slip has full details of the account holder, means account number, name of the account holder, address of the bank, amount in words, in numbers, signature of the depositor. Okay, here is the format of pay-in slip, means it is the pay-in slip of Axis Bank Limited. It is called counterfoil, means it will be retained by the depositor. Pay-in slip means when we visit bank to deposit our money or check into the bank, we have to fill a voucher which is called pay-in slip. First of all, the name of the bank is written on the pay-in slip. Here is date, account number of depositor, and the name of the account holder. Check details means if we are depositing check, then we will fill the bank branch check number, and if we are depositing cash into the bank, then we will fill this box, means denomination, means 1000 notes, how many notes of 1000 rupees, how many notes of 500 rupees, 150, 20 and so on, and here pieces, and in total column we will write the total amount which we are depositing in the bank. Here we will write amount in words also and signature of depositor, and one this is counterfoil, and it has details, means same details in the counterfoil, that is date, name of the account holder, account number, details of cash or check, and total amount and amount in words also. It will retained by the depositor as a evidence. So next source document is check. Check, as you all know that check is a document in writing drawn upon the bank with which the account is held and is payable on demand, means whenever demanded, the check is payable. The check is dated and signed by the drawer. Drawer means maker. Sign of the maker and date is necessary on the check. And here the format of check, it is of ICICI Bank. That date is written to be here on the right hand side, and first column, that is pay, means pay to, the name of the party to whom the payment is to be made, and here rupees, means amount in words, and here the amount in numbers, and account number, and here signature of the drawer or maker, and to sign is also necessary on the back side of this check. Next is debit note. Debit note and credit note, as we have already discussed that debit note and credit note are prepared when goods are returned or when sales are returned by the customers. And a debit note is made out evidencing that a debit has been made to the account of the party named in the debit note, and it has details and reasons for the debit, means why we have given the debit to the purchaser, seller, given debit to the seller, the reason and the amount is to be written in the debit note. And credit note means in answer of the, means in return of the debit note, second person means seller will make credit note evidencing that credit has been granted to a debtor. Means first of all, purchaser will make a debit note and it will send to the seller, and in return seller will make a credit note. Credit note is evidencing that account of purchaser or debited has been credited with the amount, and it is sent in the return of the debit note to the purchaser. Debit note evidencing that account of seller or credited has been debited, and in answer of the debit note seller will make the credit note and send to the purchaser. Here specimen of debit note and credit note is given. Specimen of debit note, first of all, the address is to be given on the top, debit note date on the right side, number against means whom to this debit note is to be sent, that is Messrs High and Low, New Delhi. Goods returned as per delivery challan number 93 GST, which he had already paid, and here the authorized signature of authorized person, that is manager, and amount in words also. And in return of debit note seller will make credit note. It is evidencing that credit has been made to the account of purchaser, means indebtedness of purchaser is reduced. This is debit note and this is credit note. Thank you.